Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another video. We got the Skittles collab, which we actually have the pictures for, so that's what I'm gonna discuss today. We supposedly have another collab coming out this week. I'm gonna cover that as well, but if y'all do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. Road to 20K, so come on, bro. Subscribe down below. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So the first bit of news is the fact that Supreme isn't even gonna drop on Thursday. They're dropping on Friday. They always do that for Thanksgiving. They normally skip that Thursday and just drop it on the Black Friday. So that's the first thing that I wanted to cover. It is gonna be at 11 a.m. Eastern, just like regular shit, but just Friday instead of Thursday. There is gonna be the whole Skittles collection releasing this week, and I'm gonna go ahead and talk about it. All the way at the top, there is literally Skittles, bruh. So yeah, you're gonna have to pay $10 shipping for some Skittles. If you can't really stack these, like at least like a pack of 6 or 10, it's worthless to go ahead and pay shipping for these unless you're gonna have them in the back like my dumbass with the Oreos. Makes no sense, but it looks cool, I guess. I might see what's going on with these, but really not pressed for that shit at all, not gonna lie to y'all. Next we got the Beanie, which the Beanie's actually not that bad. You got the taste of rainbow looking ass vibe on it. This is a new era Beanie and it basically comes in 4 different colorways. You got that plumish color, the white, this like cardinal red, and you also do have black. Personally, I'm feeling the cardinal red because the background on the Skittles logo looks more tonal on that one, and it does look cleaner in my opinion. But as far as resale goes, I don't think it'll have any resale. I just think it's a cool piece if you're into Skittles. Like right now I got a black Beanie on and it's the motion logo, you feel me? I just put it to the back sometimes. Just have a little simpleness on the front, you feel me? Just add a little flavor to the back. This Beanie right here I will be sleeping on. I have way too many Supreme beanies and it's nothing too special for me to go out of my way and go for that. We do have the Varsity Jacket coming out in 2 colorways, one of them being this pink color, and then you also do have the black. Personally, I am more so a fan of the black colorway. I feel like there's a bunch of taste the rainbow looking ass vibes on this, but it is like a racing style jacket, so it does make sense. I love how they spelled out the Supreme on the side. Then you do have like a bunch of Skittles on one sleeve. I think it's clean, bro. For what it is, they made it look fire. You got the taste the rainbow vibe on the back of this shit with the Skittles logo. Then you do have the Supreme on the back of the collar with the S logo on the Skittle. I think this is actually hard. The question is, would I buy it though? Am I gonna spend the retail that this shit is gonna be at? I don't think so, bruh. I'm not gonna lie to you or myself. I'm not buying that. But we do have the Skittles Castelli cycling gloves. Basically has Skittle branding all over it on a bicycling glove. It does have like the grip on the other side so you can ride your bike. But besides that, it's nothing too special. Now we do got 2 Polar Tech Skittles Supreme collabs. So like a triple collab kinda. And these pieces are a little bit better than the other ones. They're a little more subtle, so that's right up my alley. I still don't think I'm gonna be going for any of this, but it does look clean. You got Supreme branding right here, then Skittles on the other one, Supreme Skittles. It's basically like brandingception, bro. There's branding all over this bitch, but it's not that bad. I think once again, for what it is, they pulled it off in the most subtle way possible, especially on this Polar Tech collaboration. They kept it a little bit more minimal rather than having big ass Skittles everywhere. But basically same shit on the pants, same shit, bro. Supreme Skittles all over these bitches, and it's decent. Will I go out my way and buy any of this shit? Honestly, no. If there's any lookbook items or even if the Vans are sick, then I would add some Skittles to that, but I'm not really gonna pay 10 shipping for some Skittles, bruh. Unless I could buy like a 4 to 5 pack or shipping is cut in half or some shit, it's just not happening. But we do got this balaclava, which is basically like fucking skittled out. It has like that beard looking shit on the front. This shit is crazy. Branding is OD on this shit, and I definitely wouldn't wear that, so I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. Shit is ass. We got the Castelli cycling jersey. This is basically the same tight looking ass shirt that they always do, and it's just not doing it for me. So honestly, that shit is ass as well. Let's not even go ahead and entertain that shit because it's straight ass, 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 ass. Shit is dookie, bro. But the last thing from Supreme that we have is the fact that there's supposedly supposed to be a Vans collaboration this week. We don't know what it's gonna be, what it's gonna look like. We don't have no pictures for it, but we know that Drops by Jay and Supreme community have been hinting at a possible Vans collaboration for week 14. But yeah, man, this was honestly a quick ass video. I just wanted to get something out for y'all because I know that there's a little bit of news. We don't really have too much, and there is gonna be a little shift in the release date for Supreme this week. week, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop this ASAP. Let me know what y'all thought of this video. Leave a like on it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I drop. New videos coming. I'm trying to load up some shit so that I'm always on schedule with y'all, but we working, bro. Trust me, even when I'm not working, I'm working because I'm about to keep working and we grinding, bro. 100K next year, we grinding, bro. Go ahead and subscribe and let me know what y'all would like to see. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.